Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to today's maths class. Today we'll do exponent and radicals. Exponential notation. We have learned in previous class, if x is any real number and n is the positive integer, then the product of x multiplied by n time can be expressed in the exponential notation as x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x n time hai, so x is to power n. This is read as x raised to the power n. Here x is the base and n is the exponent or power. For example, 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2 upon 3. So 3 time multiply kar rahe, we can write 2 upon 3 is to power 3. Clear? In 2 upon 3 is to power 3, base क्या हो जाएगा? Base is 2 upon 3 and exponent of power is 3. Can the exponent be rational number other than the integer? For example, 4 1 by 2, 9 1 upon 2, 25 3 by 2. The answer is yes, and this form is called the exponential form. 2 is to power 3 equals to 8, means 2 को 3 time multiply करेंगे, we'll get 8. In the other word, can be written as 8 is to power 1 by 3, means उसका cube root निकालेंगे 8 का, that is equals to 2. Here 8 is to power 1 by 3 is called the third root of 8 is written as cube root of 8 is a radical. If q be an positive integer greater than 1, x and y be rational numbers such that x is to power q equals to y, then y is to power 1 upon q equals to x. Q under root y equals to x. Q under root y is called the radical, q is called the index of the radical and y is called the radicand. Clear? Next example लेते हैं. Express the following in exponential form. Root 7. So अगर हम root को हटाते हैं तो उसकी पावर क्या करते हैं? 1 by 2. So here we remove the root and we write 7 is to power 1 by 2. Clear? Next, points to remember. If a is a rational number whose exponent n is a positive integer, that a is to power 1 upon n equals to n root a. N root a is called the radical of index n and a is called the radicand. Next, learning target 2.1. Computational thinking. Write the following as radicals. So 16 is to power 1 by 2. पावर हटाएंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? रूट आ जाएगा 16 के ऊपर. So write root 16. Clear? Do all the questions. Next is positive rational number as exponent. Let x be any positive rational number and p upon q be positive rational number in the lowest form. Then x is to power p upon q is the q root of x is to power p. X is to power p upon q equals to x is to power p और उसकी whole power क्या हो जाएगी? 1 upon q. 4 is to power 3 upon 2. We can write it as 4 is to power 3 and इसकी whole power क्या हो जाएगी? 1 by 2. 4 की power 3 is equals to 64. So whole power 1 by 2 means root 64. That is equals to 8. 8 is to power 2 upon 3 means 8 का square और उसकी whole power 1 by 3. 64 is to power 1 by 3. 64 का cube root क्या हो जाएगा? 4. Next is negative rational number as exponent. Let x be non-zero positive rational number and p upon q be the positive rational number in the lowest form. Then x is to power minus p upon q equals to क्या हो जाएगा? 1 upon p upon q means नेगेटिव है उसको पॉजिटिव करने के लिए हम नीचे ले जाएंगे. इक्वल्स टू क्या हो जाएगा? 1 अपॉन x इज टू पावर p एंड होल पावर 1 अपॉन q. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. 4 इज टू पावर माइनस 3 अपॉन 2 है, पॉजिटिव करेंगे नीचे ले जाएंगे. 1 अपॉन 4 इज टू पावर 3 अपॉन 2 इक्वल्स टू क्या हो जाएगा? 1 अपॉन 4 इज टू पावर 3 एंड होल पावर 1 बाय 2 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 1 बाय. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. 8 इज टू पावर 2 अपॉन 3. 8 की पावर 2 अपॉन 3 है, दैट मीन्स 8 की पावर 2 एंड होल पावर 1/3. सो क्या हो जाएगा, क्यूब रूट ऑफ 8 इज टू पावर 2. 8 की पावर 2 क्या हो गया 64. 64 का क्यूब रूट क्या हो जाएगा 4. मीन्स 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 that is equals to 64. So we can write the cube root of 64 as 4. Clear? Next is laws of exponent for the rational numbers. If x and y be any rational number different from 0 and a, b be any rational number, then x is to power a multiplied by y is to power a equals to क्या हो जाएगा x into y whole power a. x is to power a multiplied by x is to power b equals to क्या हो जाएगा x is to power a plus b. मीन्स बेस सेम है तो जो एक्सपोनेंट हो गया पावर होगी वो ऐड हो जाएंगी. इफ x is to power a and whole power b equals to क्या हो जाएगा x is to power a multiplied by b. x is to power a divided by y is to power a equals to हो जाएगा x upon y is to power a. x upon y is to power a equals to हो जाएगा x की पावर a upon y की पावर a. x की पावर a मल्टीप्लाई बाय y की पावर माइनस a इक्वल्स टू हो जाएगा x अपॉन y की पावर a. x इक्वल्स टू पावर क्या दे रखी है 0 इक्वल्स टू 1. मीन्स किसी की पावर अगर 0 है दैट मीन्स इट्स वैल्यू इज 1. x इज टू पावर a डिवाइडेड बाय x इज टू पावर b इक्वल्स टू क्या हो जाएगा x इज टू पावर a माइनस b. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं सिंप्लीफाई. 4 is to power 3 multiplied by 4 is to power 6. So here base is same, दोनों में base 4 है तो पावर्स ऐड हो जाएंगी. 3 plus 6 4 is to power 9 is our answer. Clear? Here some more examples are given. Practice it. Next is points to remember. If a and b are non-zero rational number and m and n are rational number, then a is to power m multiplied by a is to power n equals to हो जाएगा a की power m plus n. a is to power m divided by a is to power n equals to a is to power m minus n. a is to power m whole power n equals to हो जाएगा a is to power m n. a b is to power m equals to हो जाएगा a is to power m multiplied by b is to power m. a is to power 0 equals to हो जाएगा 1. Next is learning target 2.2. Computational thinking. Find the value of, first is 8 to power 1 upon 3. 8 की power 1 upon 3 है, so we'll write cube root of 8 that is equals to 2. Clear? So you have to do all the questions. We'll move to next topic. Our next topic is standard form of very large and very small numbers. A number is in standard form or scientific notation if it is expressed as the product of a number between 1 and 10 and integral power of 10. It is very difficult to read and learn very large numbers such as the distance of the sun from the earth, that is very large, but in scientific notation it is written as 1.496 multiplied by 10 to the power 11 meter. You can observe that this number is easy to write and learn in this form. In the same way, the average diameter of the red blood cells is 0.000007 millimeter and it is written as 7.0 into 10 to the power minus 6 millimeter. Next, converting very small number from decimal notation to standard form. Move the decimal point to the right till you get just one digit to the left of the decimal point. Write the given number as the product of the number so obtained and 10 to the power minus n, where n is the number of place the decimal point has been moved to the right. Example लेते हैं. Here numbers given. So decimal के बाद कितने जीरो है? 2, 2, 4 and 2, 6. Then 2, 5, 3. So हम क्या करेंगे? डेसिमल को उस तरीके से मूव करेंगे राइट में. सो लेफ्ट में ओनली वन नंबर लेफ्ट है. सो विल राइट 2.53 इनटू क्या हो जाएगा 10 to the power minus 7. 6 तो जीरो थे, एंड 1 हमने डेसिमल मूव किया, सो विल राइट 10⁻⁻7. Clear? Next, converting from standard form to usual decimal form. Converting the large number of the type k into 10⁻n. Take the significant k and move the decimal to the right by the number of places indicated by the exponent of 10⁻n by adding trailing zeros as necessary. For example, 7.23 into 10⁻7. So कैसे लिखेंगे हम? 10⁻7 है, डेसिमल रिमूव किया तो 723, तो 2 zeros क्या हो जाएंगे, कम हो जाएंगे, 1 2 3 4 5 0 हम ऐड कर देंगे. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज कन्वर्टिंग द स्मॉल नंबर टू द टाइप k इंटू 10⁻⁻n. Take the significant k and move the decimal to the left by the number of places indicated by the exponent of 10⁻⁻n by inserting 0 as necessary. For example, 5.21 into 10⁻⁻5. 10⁻⁻5 means 10 की पावर 5 कहाँ है, नीचे है, डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, एंड ऑलरेडी 2 प्लेसेस था तो कितने हो जाएंगे, 5 + 2 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 के बाद डेसिमल लगा देंगे. क्लियर? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज कंपेयरिंग वेरी लार्ज एंड वेरी स्मॉल नंबर्स. सपोज यू वांट टू नो एज टू हाउ मैनी टाइम्स इज द सन लार्जर देन द अर्थ. मीन्स कंपेयर करना चाहते हैं what is the total mass of earth and moon, etc. For answer these question you have to divide and subtract the number in standard form. Let us find the answer of these question. Diameter of sun equals to 1.4 multiplied 10⁻9 meter and diameter of earth is 1.2756 into 10⁻7 meter. So diameter of sun upon diameter of earth इक्वल्स टू क्या हो जाएगा, 1.4 इंटू 10⁻9 अपॉन 1.2756 इंटू 10⁻7. सो ये ऊपर आ जाएगा तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगी, 10⁻9 - 7, सो 1.4 इंटू 100 अपॉन 1.2756 which is approximately 110. So diameter of sun is about 110 times diameter of the earth. Hence we can say that the sun is 110 times larger than the earth. Mass of the earth equals to 5.97 into 10⁻24 kg and mass of the moon is 7.35 into 10⁻22 kg. So total mass क्या हो जाएगा, दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे, 5.97 into 10⁻24 kg plus 7.35 into 10⁻22 kg. दोनों को हमने क्या कर दिया, 22 कर दिया है, पावर्स 5.97 इंटू 100 इंटू 10⁻22, बिकॉज यहाँ क्या था 24 था तो हमने 100 को अलग कर दिया, यू गेट 10⁻22. ना उसको सॉल्व किया तो क्या आ जाएगा, 604.35 इंटू 10⁻22 kg. क्लियर? नोट, एड सब्ट्रैक्ट नंबर इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, कन्वर्ट दैम इनटू नंबर विद द सेम एक्सपोनेंट. मीन्स यहाँ पे हमने सेम एक्सपोनेंट में चेंज कर दिया, 10⁻22 एंड 10⁻22. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. इन द स्टैक देर आर 4 बुक्स, ईच ऑफ द थिकनेस 25 millimeter and 5 paper sheet, each of the thickness 0.016 millimeter. What is the total thickness of stack? So given thickness of one book 25 millimeter. So 4 books कितनी हो जाएगी, 25 to 4 millimeter, that is 100 millimeter. One sheet of paper की thickness कितनी है, 0.016 millimeter. सो थिकनेस ऑफ 5 ऑफ पेपर हो जाएगी, इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, दैट इज 0.08 मिलीमीटर. सो स्टैक की थिकनेस कितनी हो जाएगी, ऐड कर देंगे 100 मिलीमीटर प्लस 0.08 मिलीमीटर, दैट इज 100.08 मिलीमीटर. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज लर्निंग टारगेट 2.3. कंप्यूटेशनल थिंकिंग. एक्सप्रेस द फॉलोइंग नंबर इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. सो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना है, विल राइट 6.25 multiply by how many zeros are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 है, एंड हमने यहाँ पे डेसिमल लगाया तो जाएंगे 10⁻9. ये हो जाएगी इसकी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. क्लियर? यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस ऑल द क्वेश्चन, Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now you have to practice it.